I need a stapler.
I don't have that. Yes, you do. Stapler. Paper clips. Box of crayons. Dry erase markers. Scotch tape. Eraser. Shells. Shells. Phone. Another phone. Pack of cigarettes. And
The lighter?
where's the lighter? The lighter's in my pack.
It wouldn't fit.
I think that's what's down there. I got it right here. That's it.
Okay.
That's all I got.
All right.